We use paper to write information in our day-to-day life. So today, let's know about the evolution of paper. Paper was first made in China by the court official K. Lun. From 3000 BC onwards, the Egyptians started using papyrus made from dried reeds as a writing material. Parchment and vellum were used in the 2nd century BC in Turkey. The kind of paper used in the Middle East during the 8th century was made from linen, rags, and flax cord. However, this paper reached Europe only in the 10th century AD. The very first paper mill in England was built in 1494. The rise of literature soon increased the demand for paper. The continued use of rags and cloth made large-scale production of paper impossible. This demand was met in 1800s when a Dutchman, Matthias Koopes, patented a paper made from straw and wood. This is how paper evolved. If you like the video, like and comment. If you like my channel, subscribe to it. Thanks for watching.